It is a part of the immune system that enhances complements the ability of antibodies and phagocytic cells to clear microbes and damaged cells from an organism, promotes inflammation and attacks the pathogens plasma membrane. It is a part of the innate immunity system which is not adaptable and does not change over the course of individual's lifetime. It can be recruited and brought into the action by the adaptive immune system. The complement system consists of a number of small proteins found in the blood, in general synthesized by liver and normally circulated as inactive precursors, that is, proenzymes or proteins. When stimulated by one or several triggers, proteases in the system cleave specific proteins to release cytokines and initiates an amplifying cascade of further cleavages. The end result of this complement activation or a complement fixation cascade is the stimulation of phagocytes to clear foreign and damaged material, proxy inflammation to the attract additional phagocytes and activation of cell killing membrane attack complex. Over 30 proteins and protein fragments make up the complement system, including serum proteins, serosal proteins and cell membrane receptors. They account for about 10% of the globulin fraction of the blood serum and can serve as opsonins. Three biochemical pathways activate the complement system: the classical complement pathway, the alternate complement pathway and the lectin pathway. The classical pathway is triggered by activation of C1 complex. The C1 complex is composed of C1 molecule, C1q 2 molecules and C1r 2 molecules and C1s molecule. So, collectively C1q R2 This occurs when C1q binds with a IgM or IgG complexed with the antigen. A single pentameric IgM can initiate the pathway, while several, ideally 6 immunoglobulin Gs are needed. This also occurs when C1q binds directly to the surface of the pathogen. Such binding leads to the conformational change in the C1q molecule, which leads to the activation of 2 C1r molecule. C1r is a serine protease. They then cleave C1s, another serine protease. The C1R2S2 component now splits C4 and C2, producing C4a, C4b, C2a and C2b. C4b and C2a binds to form the initial classical pathway C13 convertase, that is C4b2a complex, which promotes cleavage of C13 into C3a and C3b. C3b later joins with a C4b2a to make C5 convertase, that is C4b2a3b complex. Alternative pathway. The alternative pathway is continuously activated at a low level analogous to a car engine at idle as a result of spontaneous C3 hydrolysis. Due to the breakdown of internal thioester bond, that is C3 is mildly unstable in aqueous environment. The alternative pathway does not rely on pathogen binding antibodies like the other pathways. C3b by a C3 convertase enzyme complex in the fluid phase is rapidly inactivated by a factor H and factor 1. The surface bound C3b may now bind factor B to form C3b capital B. This complex is the presence of factor D will be cleaved into capital B small a and capital B small b. Capital B small b will remain associated with the C3b to form C3bbb which is the alternate pathway of C3 convertase. The C3BBB complex is stabilized by binding oligomers of factor P propyridine. The stabilized C3 convertase then acts enzymatically to cleave much more C3, some of which becomes covalently attached to the same surface as C3b. This newly bound C3b recruits more B, D and P actively and greatly amplifies the complement activation. When complement is activated on a cell surface, the activation is limited by endogenous complement regulatory proteins, which includes CD35, CD46, CD55 and CD59 depending on the cell. Pathogens in general do not have complement regulatory proteins. There are many exceptions which reflect adaptation of microbial pathogens to vertebrate immune defenses. Once the alternative C3 convertase enzyme is formed on a pathogen or surface, it may bind covalently another C3b to form C3b, C3bp, the C5 convertase. This enzyme then cleaves C5 to C5a, a potent anaphylatoxin, and C5b. The C5b recruits and assembles C6, C7, C8 and multiples of C9 molecules to assemble the membrane attack complex. This creates a hole or a pore in the membrane that can kill or damage the pathogen or a cell. Lectin pathway. Lectin pathway is homologous to the classical pathway, but with the opsonin mannose binding lectin MBL and phycolins instead of C1q. This pathway is activated by binding of MBL to mannose residues on the pathogen surface, which activates the MBL associated serine proteases MASP1 and MASP2, very similar to C1R and C1S respectively, which can then split C4 into C4a and C4b and C2 into C2a and C2b. C4b and C2b then bind together to form a classical C3 convertase.